Yes, good morning. It's that favorite time of the day again. Welcome to SirToshi's Bitcoin Chart Show. This is the Bitcoin forecast, the strength of the system, the health of the network, where we find out what's up with what is going down. Today's date is Sunday, the 24th of July, 2022. Without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. Buy BSV.live, the best place to buy Bitcoin SV online, the original protocol, and genuine Bitcoin. Here we go. Check it out. So we've got Coin BTC SegWit protocol with an economic fundamental value of absolute zero with a price of $22,747. Oh, that is gonna hurt. We've got Bcrash, $127. Again, economic value of zero. Bcrash or Fisher Price Cash, who cares? But then we've got Bitcoin. The original protocol goes right back to the Genesis block. It hasn't changed, making it the real Bitcoin, the true Bitcoin, the genuine Bitcoin, and the world's first and only ever digital commodity, backed by the value of data sovereignty, making it the most valuable commodity on earth because it's an extension of our own personal freedoms and liberties. And a digital protocol can only be a commodity with a fixed supply, locked protocol, infinite scale, economic competition in the form of proof of work, and a chain of digital signatures for common accountability. And these 5 construct pillars are only in place on the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin that now has the ticker symbol BSV. Fantastic stuff. Right, let's get into these figures then. So we've got the most valuable commodity on earth. Yours today for the price of $58. We've got hash rate 0.27. Let's have a look at this then. So yeah, it looks like we've had an uptick of hash rate just recently. Not sure what the exact date on that was, but still looking good. Looking good. Network nodes 0.47. Transactions though, look at this. We have breached and we have broken 90% of the transaction volume in the entire network. 92.57. Absolutely massive. And the block size, which is the data flowing on the network, taking 99.08% of all the data. So look at this, 99% of the data and 92% of all the transactions being processed by just 0.27% of the hash rate. This goes to show you what an amazing and what an efficient system Bitcoin truly is. So the block size, which is the amount of data flowing onto the network, is uploaded via the transactions. The transactions are processed by the nodes that create, block and supply hash rate, and the hash rate is attracted to the value, which is meant to be representative of the price. But the price is currently speculative because people don't have a clue what Bitcoin really is. But when education catches up with speculation, the prices will soon start to match their economic values, which means BTC core coins going to zero, Bcrash zero, Fisher Price Cash zero, and BSV, well, do your own research and you'll figure it out. So remember, just like in business, when turnover is vanity and profit is sanity, when it comes to Bitcoin, hash rate is vanity and block size is sanity. So have a look at the data flowing on the chain then. Look at this. This is looking good. Oh, we've got a 2 gigabyte block in the last 30 blocks. Very good. That's all right. So, core coins struggling to get all of their blocks over a megabyte. Quite sparse on the chain this morning. Bcrash, no blocks over a megabyte. Good grief. And Fisher Price Cash struggling to get all their blocks over a kilobyte. What a joke. There is no comparison here. Hash rate. So hash rate follows price, follows value, follows utility, follows creativity, initiative and intelligence. If you are intelligent and you apply creativity and initiative, you can make something useful. When something is useful, it can then create value. When it creates value, it can then develop a price. When it develops a price, it can then be measured against the cost of other goods and services and used as a medium of exchange. Remember, if something is useless, it is worthless. It's as simple as that. Proof of work by network, again, it's all coming over to Bitcoin because it's the only way you can commoditize data, which means it's the only protocol with any economic value. How crazy is that? So we've got Bitcoin. It's currently 7,978 times cheaper to transact on Bitcoin than core coin. It's currently 4.8% more profitable to mine on SV. That shows you the increasing value of the chain. We'll take that. Daily average Bitcoin block size by network. Look at this Bitcoin absolutely smashing it. Absolutely smashing it. Daily Bitcoin transactions by networks. Look, Bitcoin starting to romp away with it. Transactions per block by network. Bitcoin smashing it. There we go. Daily average Bitcoin fees. So they're normally right down there. They will be anyway. Fees USD. Fees SirToshis. Shows you the value of the system when transactions are so cheap. Daily Bitcoin. So this is a daily Bitcoin block fee to block reward ratio. So let me just show you what the red line. Oh, here we go. What's this? So yeah, network fees. This is cost per Satoshi. Look at that. Bitcoin smashing this lot. Absolutely smashing it. So daily Bitcoin feed to block reward ratio. So the red line is what will represent the solid blue line here. As the block reward gets cut in half every 210,000 blocks, which is approximately every 4 years. Eventually the block fee will surpass the block reward, and then we have an economically self-sustaining system. Beautiful. Here we go. So let's have a look at daily accumulated Bitcoin blockchain growth by network. I think last time we looked at this, it was 4.74. Where are we now? 4.82. That's rocketed up. That is rocketed up. Oh my goodness me. Wow, it's gone up, what, 700 megabytes? Something like that. Oh no, 700 gigabytes. 700 gigabytes. Oh my goodness me. Yeah, 700 gigabytes. That's massive. Massive. We'll have to have a look at the chain and the data flowing onto it. Very good. Let's have a look. This is global hash rate, 7 days. Global hash rate, 24 hours. Core coin hash rate, what a joke. I can't see SBI Crypto on there. SBI Crypto is no longer mining BTC. Oh my goodness me. I think the time is nigh. Oh my goodness me. So neither other miners nor SBI Crypto is mining BTC. I would say that's very telling. Very telling. Bcrash, again, look at this, other miners on there. Mining it for no other reason other than pure spite, which cracks me up. And look, it's always more profitable to mine on BTC. That's hilarious. So it's constantly more profitable to mine on BTC, and Bcrash has got no economic value either. How stupid have you got to be? That's absolutely hilarious. Fisher Price Cash, honestly, what a joke. Who cares? Hathor on there, keeping the prices at bay. But this is Bitcoin. Look at this. So SBI Crypto now with 33.3. And remember, Tal have got 100% of the hash rate on there. I think SBI Crypto might be transaction banking because they have a huge amount of hash rate. SV Pool 16.6. That's good. Mining Dutch trying to get a look in. And we've got other miners with 27.7. Very good. So the reason we are keeping the profitability at bay is so that we don't get too many shitcoin enterprises on the chain. And the reason we don't want any shitcoin enterprises on the chain is because the only thing they do is dollar worship, which leads on to price manipulation, which we will look at now in the short positions. Here we go. So look at this. The original protocol and genuine Bitcoin traders are giving a short ratio of 89.6. We thought they loved Bitcoin. You know, oh no, but we actually like the ticker symbol. Absolute fools. Let's have a look at Coolcoin. So this is SegWit protocol that came into existence on the 24th of August 2017 with a short ratio of just 1.8. What a joke. Dirty traders going to get shat on, I'm afraid. I don't have too much sympathy for you. Well, look at this BitInfo charts. Oh my goodness me. Bitcoin now with 47.9% of the overall transactions on the entire market. That's absolutely massive. Which means that XRP has only got 21.4 and Ethereum 21.4 as well. Look at that. We'll get 50%, then 60, then 70, then 80, then 90, then pretty much almost like 100%. Literally, it's going to demonstrate how shit these shitcoins really are. People just don't know it yet, but we do. You know, education. All right, so let's have a look at this. So any newbies watching the show for the first time, these are the mining operations. These are the nodes. These are the operations that supply the hash rate and create blocks. This is the backbone to the new global financial system, the world's first ever commercial internet, all stemming from one white paper. Blows my mind every time. Let's have a look at Chainalytics. Look at that. They still delisted the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin. So all they've got are these dirty shit coins on it. Absolutely disgraceful. Look, you know, again, just corruption seeping into the system. But we can see it here. Coin Carbon Cap. Look, Bitcoin. Look at this now. This was 7,000 something yesterday. Now it's 8,146. That's transactions per megawatt hour in comparison to Bcrash in second place, which is 37. Literally no comparison. And look, Coolcoin down here, this dirty SegWit protocol, just 1.3 transactions per megawatt hour. Absolutely hilarious. Scaling test network. So we've had a 3.5 gigawatt block mined on the mainnet in the last 24 hours. Very good. Let's have a look at daily data size over 30-day moving average. Metro ID 5.3. Let's have a look at this over 7 days. Do we get to see this? So MetaID 4.13, same with a Meta Protocol. I wonder if they're... Oh no, they've got different transaction volumes there. Interesting. All right, let's have a look at applications though. This is where it gets really juicy. We'll have a look at this over 7 days. So CryptoFight's producing 783,000 transactions, Relasia 149,000, and My2Cents 147,000. Very good. So on a daily output, CryptoFight's producing $86,000. God, that's big, you know. I mean, my goodness me. So Relasia again moving 1,683. My2Cents just producing $14. So again, that's more of a social media site, one-stop shop for almost everything. Let's have a look at CentB. I know I saw it around here yesterday. Is it not on there? Hold on. Where? There we go. CentB. So that's so people using that 3,821. It's gonna be massive. Gonna be massive. Love that. Trends.cash, so DXS and TDXP one and the same, first and second, and then ReallyX in third. Apps ranking by performed actions though. Run and CryptoFight's My2Cents in second. CryptoQuant, let's have a look at what the exchanges are doing. Yeah, still squiggling around at the bottom here, wanting to cash out all their reserves. I mean, they'll be screwing soon. What's on chain? So we've got 441 petahashes per second. And we've had little transactions. This 2,586,000 over 24 hours. Fantastic stuff. The Whale wallet still very distributed. The morning run. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness, this is romping up. Now we're at 2.5 million transactions. That's 2,554,522 purchases of Bitcoin over the last 24 hours. Fantastic stuff. Let's have a look at live CoinWatch. So we've got a market cap of $1,063 billion. We've got CoolCoin with a trade volume of 3.3. Well, people are going to get absolutely wrecked. We've got 3 stable coins in the top 6 coins of market cap. What a joke. Let's have a look at Bitcoin down at number 48. Trade volume just 1.69. Look at that. People holding on for dear life. They're not letting go of that bad boy. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. So how are we feeling about it today? CoinGecko feeling good. 90%. We'll take that. Beautiful. Let's have a look at the Tether weather. Where are we? Oh, it's in the red over a day. Green over 7 days. Let's have a look at the market cap. Yeah, just ups and downsies over 24 hours. That's it over 7 days. It's really not looking good. Year to date, people cashing out. They're not trusting the system, and they're rightly not to trust it. Bittrex, so the price just going upsy downs. Very good. Right, let's have a look at Bitcoin versus CoolCoin. Oh, trending sideways. Trending sideways. Let's see what this looks like over a larger period of time scale. Let's have a look at this. Come on, let's have a look. Let's have a look at this. Here we go. Oh, it's trending sideways. Trending sideways. Oh, you know, we'll be expecting this to smash this soon, very soon. Oh, look, moving first. Moving first there. Very good. CoolCoin versus USD, struggling to stay afloat, going down. Let's have a look at Coinbase again. Yeah, you're just traders speculating after it's down sort of 80%. I wouldn't touch that with the barge pole. MicroStrategy as well. Just dirty traders speculating. Don't really give a monkeys about doing their own research. Just because the price is low, they're attracted to it. I wouldn't touch that with a barge pole, knowing the amount of shitcoins that Michael Saylor is holding. Oh dear. Silverfish. So we've had 3,739 views so far. Remember, I've time-stamped all the different sections of the movie, so you can work your way through it. Hope you enjoy it. Had some really good reviews of that. Here we go. So this is the countdown calendar to the Nothing Burger. We are currently on July 24th, which means we've just got 8 days. 8 days could be a lucky number. We'll find out. And the reason this is important is because CSW said at the end of June, very shortly, in fact within weeks, people are going to start to understand that calling BTC Bitcoin and referring to this technology that is illegally passing itself off as Bitcoin comes at a cost. And later this month, you will understand if you have any money on these systems referring to Coinbase and Kraken, it will end up divided between the creditors. He said, I don't want your money, I want the heads of those in charge, so to speak. But if you have any money or assets on these bucket shops, still by the end of the month, they will be liable to seizure. He said, "I don't need to. You don't need to believe me, but forewarned is forearmed. Ignore him at your peril." He's explained it here clearly. Legally, you have a debt like money in a bank. The digital assets on these exchanges are not yours. Rather, they're an obligation to repay that will not extend through bankruptcy. Take heed or ignore them at your peril. So there we go. 15-minute show. Hope you enjoyed it. As ever, be aware, take care, stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.